Hi, it's Dr. Greg Jantz. Hey, sometimes we wonder about vitamins and think about, okay, vitamin supplements for anxiety. Let me just say, first of all, we want to always partner. That's why we do it as a team here at the Center, a Place of Hope. But we partner with healthcare professionals that can bring together the whole person. I'm just going to share some things that are generally accepted as good support. I'm not going to say cure or solution, but good support for the whole area of anxiety. Now, this is just one piece of the whole person model as we treat anxiety. And I talk a lot about it in my book, Anxiety Reset. Let me mention, we always consult with the right kind of healthcare provider that can really give us true guidance. Number one, here are the top 10 that you'll find over and over and over as indicating they can be of help. Thiamine. Thiamine is found in green tea. That's one of the huge active ingredients. It's going to be something that I've written down here, the common dosage, 100 to 200 milligrams. Sometimes this is used in supporting a lower blood pressure as well. Number two, it's the omega-3 fatty acids. This is your fish oil. We know lots of research on this, but can aid in reducing inflammation, which we want to do. Can aid in anxiety management. Good studies on that. A normal dosage, 250 milligrams to 500 milligrams. But again, lots of variance on the recommendations there for the omega-3s. I call them the fish oils. And also there is difference in quality. So this is an important one. We want to get the very best we can. And number three, vitamin D. This one's, oh boy, so much research has been done around vitamin D. Deficiency being linked to mood disorders. We know that it is super important to have at least 400 to 800 international units a day. Vitamin D, years ago, lots of controversy about higher amounts. And what we know is we do blood work on our clients to see do they have low vitamin D, and then one of our doctors will make the recommendation on how much vitamin D that could be of help. All right, number four, there's 10, saffron. And saffron has got some good research related to sleep improvement. The recommendation usually is about a 30 milligram dosage. This is a spice, so think of it as it's going to be in your spice rack. All right, number five, kava. This is native to the South Pacific and has been used. This is one that, again, all these recommendations are really suggestions to work with the right healthcare provider who can give the right guidance on these. So kava, use dosage about 150 milligrams a day. And number six, ashwagandha. There's a word, ashwagandha. And it is a adaptogenic herb. So it's not going to be a stimulant, and it does help regulate stress responses and super helpful for anxiety management. Many will say that. Let me just say that. 250 to 500 milligrams a day. Okay, now number seven is magnesium. Magnesium's usually known as the calming mineral. Sometimes it's used as a part of helping people lower blood pressure, nervous system regulation, ease with tension, relaxes the brain. 200 to 400 milligrams a day. And yes, the source of that magnesium to cross the blood-brain barrier is super important. All right, it's been used, magnesium, well, for centuries, even aids in sleep. All right, B vitamins, number 9. This would be the B vitamin complex. Our gut, our healthy intestinal flora manufactures our B vitamins. B6, super important, but pyroxidine. And B9, a folate, and B12 are, and sometimes you've heard of getting a B12 shot. It's essential for nerve health and emotional balance. And there is a lot of good work that's been done with B vitamins, anxiety, and mood. Super important. Chamomile, you've heard of chamomile tea, known for its soothing effects. It can be a tea or a supplement and can promote relaxation. Again, these are just some ideas to put in the whole person plan to help with anxiety. And let me just say again, nothing here is suggested to be a cure, but just a part of the overall health and wellness plan. And we know, we've seen it, that when we supplement with the right supplements and the right approach, it can be a really important pillar in building a plan for treating anxiety. And there's a lot more in the article, the blog here on this topic.